Hello, it's Greg Allison from Green Gregs, coming to you on 12th March 22. Time on deck is 12:20, 100 hours Central Standard Time. My friends, by the snow, now is the time to order your seeds. In fact, you probably should have already ordered. This is the time to order your seeds so they get in, you have them ready when it's time to plant. So order seeds now. With everything going on in the world, we don't know about coming disruption in the supply chains. It may bring you seeds in the future. We don't, and I kind of expect there's going to be a big demand for seeds, which might mean there will be possibly a seed shortage. That's a potential you can't discount with the realization by a lot of people that food prices are going up, food security is questionable, so more people should be gardening. So the best way to deal with that is to get a head start. And right now you could actually plant some things right now. It did snow last night here, and you can still see the snow in the forest around here, the woods. But if you look around my garden, it's already started to melt off. And many of you know I grow a lot of garlic. Almost my entire garden is garlic. So that's my prepper choice for it. Since everybody knows I'm a prepper and a gardener, people aren't going to come eat me out. Once all the other guys starve out, I'm going to have seeds to save so I can plant real food. So there you go. But this stuff is good. It's medicinal. Garlic is wonderful. It's got a good value to it. So I highly encourage people to grow garlic. Yeah, I don't know if I'm recording. Okay, good. Hard to see the dots on this thing. Yeah, some of you may have saw my video last night where I was out here trying to save the greenhouse from the snow. We had 1.5 inches or a little better. Unfortunately, we got through it. But you can see the garlic survives. It grows in the wintertime here. It's going to get to 17 tonight. It won't hurt it. I got onions over here. Look at all these little greens that are popping back up to survive through the snow. So there's, you can definitely garden now. You can plant your radishes now. You can plant a lot of your greens that you grow in the spring and winter now. Lettuce, plant it now. You can even set it out in the garden now. Lettuce can handle cold weather, but ice or snow might crush it. But so you need to go by your local weather. Here, most summer gardening seeds aren't planted until about the 15th of April, just because we can get a frost around 15 April. But a lot of people do plant earlier. So you got to wait, but everybody wants to put their tomatoes out early, and lots of people take a risk with that. So that's just your call. But in any event, go to my link to True Leaf Market. I got a link below to True Leaf Market. Check that out. And there you can buy heirloom seeds. The beauty of heirloom seeds is that you can plant those seeds and you can harvest the plants and replant those seeds and get the same plant back all over again. Heirloom pollinated heirloom seeds. That's what you get. Non-GMO seeds. That's the beauty of a True Leaf Market. Check out my link below, and please really consider gardening. We're going to have a lot of prospects for food shortages, price hikes, because a lot of countries have decided that they're not going to be shipping food. A lot of countries now, including Egypt, has said, well, we're not shipping anything. I never really thought of Egypt as a food exporter, but the number, Egypt, Ukraine, Russia, they're all unilaterally decided and they're not exporting. And Indonesia's not exporting palm oil, which is a key ingredient in vegetable oils. So a lot of our cooking supplies and things are going to be coming up short. You may even find restaurants will have a hard time operating because they may not get the stuff that they need, cooking oils and such. We don't know how all this is going to play out. This is on top of the kind of shortages we already had. This is on top of the supply chain disruptions we already had. So this is not a pretty picture, guys. So this year and the following winter may be exceedingly rough. So get ready, prep. Again, go to True Leaf Market, get those seeds while you can. And it wouldn't even hurt to go check out my prepwithgreg.com for the specials there. Anyway, my friends, thank y'all for watching. Take care and have an awesome day. Ho, ho, ho.